Hello.
Ava, 2 months old.
Hello. Hello. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna smile for us? Are you gonna smile? No? No smiling?
Ava. Yes, who's the big girl? Oh, no cries. There she is, Ava Marie Valenti, 2 months old. Oh, I'm going to spit the PSE out. Hey, where's Giovanna?
Giovanna, come here.
Say hello.
Hello.
You say hello to Grandma?
Hello, Grandma. I love you.
Cutie pie.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
I'm taking a video. This is the grandma. Grandma's birthday.
Why?
Because she can't see you then.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you gonna eat my hands? Don't eat my hands. Oh, you gonna eat your hand? You hungry. You hungry. Oh.
Okay, Mama, go make a baba.
Bye-bye.